300 out of his account every month. How am I going to pay bill? But the problem is that now they say they can't.
Pray for me, my papa, I need your blessings. My mama, pray for me, my mama, I need your blessings. I'm gonna pass over now. Life will not easy.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. If today your first time, why I did laugh? If I don't sit down, use one shirt to film. Then the next day I would smile, but slap. I'm sorry, my sister. See, I be the bridge shirt. They come out. They my friend for here, but for me to pull her, I go forget. Once I don't start the video, I can't remember. Okay, let's dive. I hope my people take me for who I am. Our people YouTuber, they use one shirt, they film 1 hour video, and I go watch it. Meanwhile, they film 15, 18, 20 minutes. If they will calculate, I don't reach that 1 hour. Okay, I they share and small. My people. There is this family for Spain. This lady, she cried out about our brother, our uncle. Yes, uncle. Apostle Suleiman. Church, accordingly, I not they there. I be allergy. This woman, it not be laughing matter. It touched me when I dey watch her. Now, for many of us, mostly when we love work of God. Yes, nobody will not love work of God, but do your work of God with wise, open your eye. Don't let anybody to manipulate you just because say now God did they do it for, now God did they do it for. No, anything will not come out from your mind, or anything when they force you to do, you are not doing it for God, you are doing it for that human being. Ask me again. Reason why I talk something like that, my people. This family of how many? Let's say get 3 children plus husband and wife, like family of 5. According to the lady, I go want me una list. My people, I know borrow a mouth. I know use my mouth to talk. Me una listing. Then leave your own comment in the comment section. No insult, please. Peaceful comment, okay? I believe if this our uncle Apostle Suleiman, my main reason doing this video, I dey do am for our uncle Apostle Suleiman, okay? I dey do this video for my brother Apostle Suleiman, so that may he help those family. I know they do am for hate. I know they do am to bring his church down. I know they do am to stain his name. No, I dey do am so that because I be mother, I be family, and I dey stay Europe. I know how Europe be. I know how Europe hard. Okay, my people. If you be Apostle Suleiman member, you be Omega Church and Ministry. Nobody I call am. I beg. I just sorry if I not pronounce am well because I not today. If na please. If you be their member, no insult. Okay, I know they do am for insult. Look into this case. If you fit pay the 36,000 euro, no be small money, no be more. Listen, me una listen to am. I see am for our brother house. I see am for mock news. Our brother when get mock news, I see am for there. Okay?
Depending where you are watching me from, all over the world. I'm making this video with heart broken, with tears in my eye, in my body. My name is Mrs. Lovett Emopai. I'm married to James Emopai. Me and my husband, we were attending Omega Fire Ministry in San Sebastian, Spain. This is my 3 children. As we were attending Omega Fire Ministry, they want to take another new hall. They ask somebody that is working and who have documents. At was then, the pastor that is preaching there, they don't have documents. His name is Pastor Daniel from San Sebastian. And they not asked my husband to submit his document and contract work. My husband did it due to say he's going to that church. We were married in the church too. And he's a man that served God with all his heart. He's an usher man in the church. And suddenly my husband, he was working Saturday and Sunday. He don't go to work to church, but we were still continuing going to church. And they now have crisis of coronavirus. The time of crisis of coronavirus, it's like they were paying the house rent, and the man now increased the house rent to 1,500. According to the pastor, I don't know about it. According to the pastor, and it's like the man now said, the pastor said they can't pay the money, that the money is too big. The man now asked them to pack. As they were looking for her, at the same time there is corona period. The moment they see her, they now left that place. They didn't know that this man has taken them to court. According to Pastor Daniel, all the document is with me now. And I went to bank. One day, I just went to bank to go and take money to pay house rent. That was last month on the 28th, or the 27th. I went there, they said they have taken 1,200 euro from my account, from my husband's account. I asked to take the account number. The account, they said there is Cusgado, that is court. I asked how did my husband hold debt that court will not take 1,000 something. They said it's only my husband that can call them. My husband called them. They the money was 36,000 and something. I said, how come? We were asking them. They said because of the house they rent, the man take them to court, and the man, Pastor Daniel Igaro, did not know about it. According to him, he said all the letter they were receiving, this man was receiving it. He didn't present it to them. The reason why I cry out now to all the social media platforms, the landlord where we are staying here asking us to pack out because last month I couldn't pay house rent. My husband is receiving 1,000 euro. At this moment now, they are telling my husband, the court people have called my husband. They have called my husband to be removing 300 out of his account every month. And the money will not remain 700 and 800. How am I going to pay bill? How am I going to pay my house rent? How am I going to feed 3 children? This is Europe, I'm not working. And the problem now that I cry out now just to beg Pastor Suleiman, Justice Suleiman, to come to my rescue. This is all the documents. My husband just helped the ministry by taking the document and his contract out. But the problem now, I can't sleep, I can't eat. Every blessed day, tears. How am I going to pay 36,000 euro? The problem, the man of God, Pastor Daniel Igaro, is not working. I have gone to his house. I have done everything. I have taken lawyer to change the document to his own because he have already own residence now. But the problem is that now they say they can't change it because the name that my husband put down at the contract. That is why I'm crying out on social media, crying out for all of you to help me, to join me and plead and beg Pastor Suleiman, the man that owns the Omega Fire Ministry, to come to my rescue. I'm not challenging him, I'm not questioning him. Just for him to help me. I don't know where to start from. That is the reason I cry out. Please, social media, BBS, all the platform that can go viral. Please, I need your help. Thank you very much. I will post all the necessary documents. Thank you.
My people, I hope una hear the thing, the emotion it make I don't know what I want to talk. My people, I pray make our uncle Apostle Johnson Suleiman. Now true, Europe not easy. Mostly Spain. If in a place like Germany now, Holland, France, all those ones say they assist. I believe say Spain not they assist at all. As far as say her husband they work, but no be that one I want just talk about. I pray make this lady find solution. In person when they receive 1,000, then they will remove 300 euro for inside the 1,000. And how many go remain for inside with 3 children with 2 husbands and house rent they inside. I believe many of them are they African and they see waiting brother sister they pass through not because of say person just they abroad. It automatically they be billionaire, they be millionaire. And secondly, my advice to any of my sisters is good to help. Okay, it's good to help. When those things they on call they come up, you carry your document, you give, make they use and rent a house. Okay, now the house now you don't get problem now. Wait till the pastor they do. They're supposed to leave those things for that man to hold, or make the man fix food when he not eat, food when all the members eat. Only one member they say make he carry am. Okay, my own advice goes like this: if you dey out there, be very very careful. Yes, I go talk am. If you want serve God, God na inside mind though. I think that pastor now, this one not be pastor. I believe say if that pastor he talk to this lady say no worry, I dey look for job. Anytime see job, I go dey assist you. Or the church when they open new. The other church when they collect tithes, they collect offering. You will tell me say now they see money. Why they not settle? If they settle this thing, sure that this lady go come out. You want serve God. Serving God na your heart. Stop letting people to deceive many of now. Some pastor go they talk to Nana. It's good you respect pastor. Not mean you not respect pastor, but respect yourself first. You not respect yourself now, pastor. You want respect. By respecting yourself, listen to your own self. How can a pastor, yes, he not get documents, but not be only this man, they that church. When he get documents, other people, they where other members, not they. I wish now like 5 members bring their documents, make them use them rent that hall. I not believe say everything go just upon this man. It go be the 4 of them, 5 of them, 10 of them. Only your paper, you just carry her 1,005 every month. What you now they say? How many people they the church? How many members? How the offering, the title that they collect, what they use and they do. Then you that pastor when you desperate, you never get paper before. Now you don't get documents. You not fit talk to this lady. You dey say as a mother of three, they cry. Maybe her husband at the time when you know they feel they talk. Then you make use of her. You use him. Yes, me I put and say you use him. Because if you not use him, you're not supposed to quiet. This lady not supposed to confirm social media. You're supposed to tell all your members, make they find they want to donate money. You not talk like that. You leave the woman say, because me and they be careful. Me also, the thing happened to me when I use my own paper, take carry a live box. Yes, I use my own name, take carry live box for pexing. At the end, the debt dey my neck. We should be very, very careful wetin we use our document to do for this Europe. Because if that thing, that person not pay, everything go fall your neck. Everything go dey your neck. Carry your document, come and say, they want use am rent hall. Pastor, only you one. Now not reach 10, no contribute. And how which they reach 10 as it be 30-something thousand. I think they will collect 200 for this one, 100 euro for this one. Collect 100 euro for before you reach it on. Maybe na 100 euro, 50 euro. Now, only him one. 300 euro every month, and he dey receive 1,000 plus, and na family man, no be say na single man. You see why we need to be very, very careful. And if you dey out there, you don't share number, don't be passing. You dey serve God. You dey serve God. As this woman now, mother of three, they cry now. You say don't touch me as a mother. I know when food not there, when you not see anything for house, or maybe you don't look, say money not come, money not there. Mother they suffer. Mother they think, you go they cry. That is the frustration this our sister get when you take come outside. Our daddy, our uncle, our brother Apostle Suleiman, please sir, we dey beg. Me, I use my social media to beg you. Look into this case when you clear the debt. Yes, when you clear the debt, so because I watched the video at the ministry today, I not compare you. He say no one get branch around. He go train people. And when they come by themselves open, they no put in name. But this one, and your name there, your name of the church, I believe say yes, you dey come France, you dey go all over the Europe. Please, daddy, please, uncle, Pastor Suleiman, John Suleiman, look into all this matter. You get money past that woman, that family. You dey drive a bulletproof car. I beg, sir. I beg as a mother. You know, say you still get wife, you still be father. Please, look into this case and help them settle the matter. I can't wait to see, say, Apostle Suleiman, he cleared the debts. I go dey very happy, and God will bless you if you do so. Yes, so if you dey out there, you carry pastor for head, no carry your God for head. Collect sense, so collect sense. And if you dey abroad, they say they want rent her. Not say you not bring your paper if you reach your mind. But let many people bring their documents. At least 10 people. 20 me, I know risk on me. I better worship online. If na Nigeria church, I want follow. I want dance. I want shake my body. I go on my telly. I go shake my body, wind my body, wind my body, wind my waist. Than to go church when now your offering when you want pay, neither they look. Tight when you want pay, they look your hand. We need to be very careful, mostly with this abroad. Yes, I watch am for mock news. Just they say they advise us say, may we be very careful. Will they say very soon? Don't are not there everywhere, anywhere. You're serving, you're communicate with your God and mind. It's good you go church. I'm not saying you not go church if you dey your mind, but for you to hear from God, communicate with God, your mind, let your mind clean to everybody. Let your mind be nice to everybody. Okay? I this our sister, they see this fire now. I think the church they exist now. What did the church do for them? Nothing. What did the church contribute? Nothing. What did the church they do? Nothing. If the church they do something, she said this lady go come on social media. No. I bet our uncle Apostle Suleiman, you never see this thing. I believe say you never see her. I believe say you don't see her now because mock news na big channel. I believe say you don't see her because many of your members they don't see her. I believe say person close to you go don't see her. I beg, look into it, oh. Look into it. Europe suffer there abroad, though. Person when they receive 1,000, they'll say remove 700 and no help for government. I beg now. Now less it to many of no, I carry pastor for head. Pastor. May they know me say I'm a good pastor. Some people said na be the a friend when they talk just now. Some people may that they call me mommy, or may that they respect me, say na my paper dead house. Who send you? Send you. If the matters come, now let you go lay your head, now you go carry on. I bet me I go prepare things with my children before they come back from school. Now this one I get to talk. Wait till you get to talk. Drop your own opinion. For me, we need to be very, very careful. Okay, all my returning, I appreciate you guys. Or if you watch out for Facebook, please follow me on my Facebook. Okay, if you come across this my video and you be Apostle John C. Suleiman, brother member, please call your attention. This our sister, I need help. Okay, me I dey stay abroad. I dey France. Europe hard. I know if it like you. Europe hard. No, they look at how people the country, the painting, the train, the road. Europe hard. That's when they receive 1,000 plus, they'll still remove 300. This pastor, if you read me good, house when you for hold debt, You think say na Nigeria you dey? When you just park, you know say na person document. Why did they ask for document when you want collect house or when you want buy something credit? Why did they ask for document? In case na not fit pay, that person go pay and they go sue. I think na Nigeria. When our court go talk now, this now go as you dey work that money, government go collect am immediately. God stay say you no work. If you no work, they'll come your house, pack everything. We need to be very careful. You dey pack comot, you know what God pay the way for whole debt. May God have mercy on you. Yes, me go pray for you. As you dey pray for people, they lay hand for people head. Me, Naija daughter, I pray for you. May God have mercy on you. Collect sense. This pastor is paying. He pay me na mother, na I be. See my fellow woman when be mother dey cry. She said those children when stand by her, if they happy, they know they happy. And this one I get to talk to you. I meet my next video. Na child,
so that you can pray through me. Let's do it one more time. I'll bring